Mental health is an important part of our well-being, but there are many myths and misunderstandings that make it harder for people to seek help or understand what's really going on. Today, let's clear up 6 common mental health myths that you should stop believing. Myth 1: mental health problems are rare. This is not true. Mental health issues are more common than most people think. Millions of people around the world experience depression, anxiety, stress, or other conditions. You might not see it, but many people around you may be silently dealing with these challenges. Myth 2: only weak people struggle with mental health. Mental health has nothing to do with strength or weakness. Anyone, no matter how strong they seem, can face mental health struggles. It takes real courage to talk about it and get help. Mental health is just like physical health. Anyone can get sick. Myth 3: talking about mental health makes things worse. Actually, the opposite is true. Talking about how you feel is one of the best ways to understand and manage your emotions. When people open up, they feel less alone and more supported. Staying silent only makes the problem harder to deal with. Myth 4: therapy is only for people with serious problems. Therapy can help anyone, not just people with extreme conditions. It's a tool to help you understand your thoughts, manage stress, and find better ways to cope. You don't have to be in a crisis to talk to a professional. Myth 5: children and teens don't have mental health problems. Mental health issues can start at any age. Kids and teenagers face pressure from school, family, and friends just like adults do. Ignoring their feelings can lead to bigger problems later. It's important to listen and support young people early on. Myth 6: you can just snap out of it. Mental health is not something people can switch on and off. Just like you can't will yourself to recover from a broken leg, you can't force yourself to be okay mentally. Healing takes time, support, and sometimes treatment. Conclusion: mental health myths can be harmful, and it's time to stop believing them. The more we understand the truth, the more we can support ourselves and others. Let's break the silence, end the stigma, and take mental health seriously.